Hi, this is Topper Chef. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make Szechuan beef with our chili sauce. Okay, I'm gonna stir fry this beef, and the reason for doing this is because you want to cinch this beef very well. It's a top cut and top sirloin cut, and so I'm going to, instead of frying it, deep frying it, what I'm going to do is, see, my pan is really hot, and I'm going to let it cook all the way through in small batches. Okay, so now we just stir fried it maybe for a minute on hot heat. I'm going to take it out. The gas is still on high. I'm going to do a second batch of it. This is the way you want to cook your beef, so it's nice and tender and not very chewy. So now the second batch, here it is, the second batch. And I'm not going to try and put any water in it so it doesn't splatter and mess up my whole kitchen. Okay, there we go, the second batch. So it's a small portion. It's good for 4 people. This has to, Chinese cooking has to be on very high heat, very high, 800 degrees heat. So if you want to duplicate something working in a restaurant, then you have to take into effect the temperature, the heat and everything which is there. It is done. Now I'm going to turn it off and get ready for my vegetables. We're going to finish this dish. This is Topper Chef back again. Now we're going to finish off. This has to finish off in 1 minute because the beef is already cooked, right? So when you are in a restaurant, the flame is almost like 800 degrees. So now we got to replicate that. So the pan is really hot. Let it get hot. And this is my easy recipe to the Szechuan beef. Otherwise, they have so many chilies in it, and they put those chili peppers and all that stuff. I mean, then you are just sorting out the chilies. But this is a different kind of recipe. You'll see, you love this beef. Now my beef has already been cooked, but now we got to cook it with the vegetables, and this is what's gonna happen now. Okay, so now it's drained out from all the oil and everything. There you go. Some stir fry sauce. Very little of the stir fry sauce. Little of my chili sauce. Little ginger. Little garlic. And let's stir fry this. That's it. Let it reduce a little bit. And we're going to finish off. So I'm not putting no salt. The reason is because the soy sauce has a lot of salt in it. So that's there. And now all this scallions, there you go. That's all done. But when you finish it off, let's mix this. There you go. Oh wow, looks amazing. Beautiful. So now my sesame oil, because sesame oil is very important to give that nice touch to it, that flavor to it. Okay, that's it. It's all ready. Just stir it, and you can add your cilantro now. How much cilantro you need, and my stir-fried beef is ready. Okay, so we're gonna taste our Szechuan chili beef made with our chili sauce. It's amazing. It's really good, really tasty. I like it a bit spicy. Now, if you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up. Join us on Pinterest, like us on Facebook, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!